Oh yeah, that's it. Merge with the brake. So you just got a haircut, huh?
I did, yeah.
They're trying to argue about who wants to be on camera. Neither one of them do. Oh, nice. This one's all digital. Oh, I love these little wire brushes. Wow, those are awesome. So you got your pigment right here in every color for your epoxy, so you can change the color of your epoxy when you're putting your scales on or whatever you're doing. Just all different kinds and sizes of scales too, which is really neat. What do you think, guys? Should I buy some cool wood for the scales for my, oh, that's neat. That's real neat. Oh, what do we have here? Nice, shiny, brand new Emerson. Looks like they've got all the belts you need. And these guys do ship. Oh, God, it's so beautiful. Handles for any kind of hammer you'd want. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a really nice flatter. Beautiful. A lot of guys ask me about tongs. Here's some scrolling tongs. Here's some smaller ones. Wolf jaw tongs. And boy, I really like these. These are nice. But yeah, you're talking 35 bucks, guys. I mean, you can't beat that. 35 bucks for a nice set of tongs. Those are half inch. I mean, that is a great set of tongs. Feels good. I haven't had a new set of tongs in my hand ever in my life. I've never held a new set of tongs. So these guys sell online as well. I'll leave a link in the description. This is not a paid sponsorship. I drove all the way down here to pick up some coal today. Yeah, a lot of the guys, you know, they end up going and buying something off Craigslist. It's all beat to crap. And I was saying, you know, this thing here is what, $340, and that's a great anvil. There's plenty of room to work there.
Yeah, there's a 70 pounder down here that runs $366.50.
$366 for a 70 pound. Guys, let me put my foot down here, give you an idea of scale. That's a great size anvil. That's perfect, man. I mean, that's all you need, and it's half the price of that junk you find on Craigslist. And it's gonna work, right?
Oh yeah.
It's a farrier's anvil. They're made to run. They're made to work day in and day out.
We have some blacksmith anvils too, from 100 pounds to 500 pounds.
Cool. What's your 100 pound running?
It runs 554.50, and we have double horn 100 and just a regular London pattern 100.
Awesome. Double horn 100 pound?
Mm-hmm.
The market is just crazy on these Craigslist anvils. Just don't buy them, right?
Oh yeah.
Like, why would you? You can just buy this. That was painless.
Not bad, no.
Not bad at all. So Google's been pushing Small Business Month, and yeah, there you go. My small business pick is Texas Farrier Supply. It's pretty awesome that they ship all that stuff. I mean, there's 2 guys working there, and they handle that business pretty well. That's impressive. Nicest guys in the world, too. We got 450 pounds hanging out the backside of the axles, and that feels real nice on this truck. It really likes to have a little bit extra weight on it. So I think I'm just gonna haul coal around all the time. It is a diesel. Technically, right now, I am rolling coal. Truck wants me to put my seatbelt on. Later.